Okay, you guys, this episode of supposedly live video that's not going to be live video comes to you from the letter Y. As in, why has everything gotten so crazy to the point where I've just decided to make a whole bunch of videos for you guys this week. So come join me on Instagram and YouTube, because that's where I'm posting these, to put together all the marquee letters and numbers that I sent you guys for free. So if you guys are part of my Silhouette VIP group, you know what I'm talking about. You guys get a freebie in your mailbox every Tuesday, and usually I have a live video that coincides with it. However, this last month I have been moving, so I couldn't do the live videos, but you got the free files anyway, and all this week I'm making the videos, okay? So you guys are gonna see how to put together these cool marquee letters, and today it's the letter Y. So if you want to become part of my Silhouette VIP group, which you should, it's a freebie every single Tuesday that I send out just for being awesome. All you have to do is go to carinagardner.com and click on my exclusive VIP and choose Silhouette VIP. It's totally free. I send you guys a freebie and then I try to make it with you. All right, so what you need for this, 2 Ys, and you can use, I've got ones with cutouts in the middle you can use as well. And then there are 3 pieces that look like this. Don't let that scare you. So the number one thing to know is that to match up your pieces, there are tiny little symbols. So you see that one? That's got a little triangle. On this side, you know these 2 fit together because the triangle is on this side. There's a little square on this side. Let's see where that matches up. Let's see here. I don't see a square. I do see a circle. There's a circle, there's a circle. So we know those are gonna match up. So all of these marquee letters work the same way. What you're doing is you're folding them in, okay? Just like this. And folding all of your tabs to fit them around your letter, okay? So this one looks like this, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna glue it in. You see all these cute little tabs that are on the edges? You're folding them the opposite way, because what you're doing is you're gluing this in so that you have these tabs to connect to your Y. So hot glue is the best for this, and I'm gonna prepare all of these pieces this exact same way. I'm just going to glue them in and create those tabs in the center so that I can glue the letter around. Okay, all 3 pieces are done. I've got some hot glue hanging from that there. Okay, so you can decide to do this a couple different ways. You saw with the P that I kind of struggled getting them together. So I thought on this one, it might be fun to go ahead and match up all of my pieces. So for example, circle to circle, and go ahead and put those tabs together and glue it together. So it's one continuous piece that would go around the Y. Okay, so this is the first one I put together. So my tab, you can't see it because the tab had the circle on it, but I just slid it in and I hot glued it into place. So that is together. You've got one long and continuous piece up until this point. So the last thing is you can go ahead and glue, if you would like, your triangle pieces together. So I am gonna go ahead and do that. It's a little iffy. If you want to wait and do it at the end, you can. But so far I've really disliked having to glue them together at the end. So I'm gonna make the Y fit the way I need it to fit by first going ahead and putting that tab together. Okay, so from here, once you've glued it, you've got to figure out how this really fits the Y. This is actually not a hard job, you just need to figure out. So let's see. Okay, there we go. Woo! Did you guys see that? It was together for one whole second. There we go. There's the Y, you guys. There it is. So you're looking for the 2 shorter pieces are going to be your top piece. And then there's, of course, a shorter piece at the bottom. So that was what I was looking for. So here's the cool thing. All you're going to do is put a little glue in, and you can stick these pieces in right from the center. So I'm going to do that. Let's see if I can show you guys. So I've just glued just this one piece. Whoop. and it's not going to hold its form until I glue the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick. Open up. So you kind of have to hold it in place. So you can see where I glued just those 2 tabs. So then you have a top tab. You can go ahead and glue that. I'm going to finish gluing all the way around so I can show you what that looks like. Okay, so once you have it in shape, it's really simple. You're just basically cleaning up by gluing the other Y to the other side. So I'm going to do that now. You can see where you can see all the lines. You're just cleaning that up by adding this one to the back side. So I'm just going to throw a little bit of glue on there and then lay it in there, and it should. That's it, you guys. That's it. That's how you make the Y. I hope you had fun making this with me, and I will probably, if you get on the VIP list today or tomorrow, I'm probably going to resend with a huge email with all the links, the Y as well as the K, the 1, and the 8. Those are the 3 that came out recently that I didn't do videos for, that I'm planning on doing videos for this week. So make sure and join at carinagardner.com. See you guys.